Hospice staff provide care to people reaching the end of life and their loved ones, often meaning they're intimately involved with their experiences. This sometimes involves simply being with patients, sitting with them and holding a hand. It's hard to tell people they won't be able to do things they used to enjoy again. Often you haven't got the words. Being silent, holding the hand, it's the only thing we can do. The nature of the work can be hard for staff and affects their own emotional well-being. Hospice staff in various roles said that regular debriefs or opportunities to discuss their emotions were important.
Sometimes there's nothing else to give. Sometimes at the end of a shift, I feel empty because of the suffering we see.
This research included both clinical and non-clinical staff. Staff such as cooks, housekeepers, receptionists and maintenance staff are impacted by the work and often offer support in difficult moments.
Some days are slow and quiet, others, like yesterday, are terrible. One of our patients died and the family were in bits. It was really hard. I was there, comforting the family. You see, we do so much more than just clean.
Seemingly simple practices, like preparing meals, can make a big difference at the end of life.
There was a gentleman in, and all he wanted was a sausage sandwich. After he died, I received a card from his daughter. It said he kept going on about this sandwich, right up to him going unconscious. Just a simple sausage sandwich.
The work of non-clinical staff goes beyond tasks we currently recognise. They're often involved in everyday care in hospices, and they said they needed more training on having emotional or difficult conversations and support with their feelings. This research emphasises a broader view of hospice work and care. It shows how care is carried out by non-clinical staff can involve just the holding of a hand or preparing a simple sausage sandwich.